Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to week 2 in English 101 online for summer 2015. This is a big week. You're going to get to know your first major assignment for the semester. Your first assignment is the literary analysis essay. The analysis essay is an essay that's a required assignment for all 101 classes at Butler County Community College, so something that we all learn how to do. Basically, for the literary analysis essay, you're doing a piece of analysis writing. Analysis, to put it in simple terms, is where you take a whole, like let's use the example of a car engine. You take the whole and you divide it up into its different, what are called constituent parts. So you're taking something, sort of pulling it apart into various parts. Once you've taken something and divided it up into parts, you can then better understand that thing. You can look for connections between all the parts, look for relationships between the parts. So that way, let's say you take that car engine, you put it all back together, you see how the whole thing works together. You're doing the same process to a text, to an essay from the McGraw-Hill Reader. For example, you could write on Langston Hughes' essay called Salvation. So you would take this essay as a whole, and you would then split it up into different parts, looking at the relationship between all the parts. Now, when you're splitting up, let's say, Salvation, the essay, I'm having you guys pick a certain theme that you're analyzing in the essay. For example, Langston Hughes' use of imagery, Langston Hughes' tone, Langston Hughes' use of symbolism. So you're taking the essay, you're dividing it up into pieces based on that theme that you pick. All of this is in the instructional prompt. And basically, you're writing a paper where you tell us what's going on with that essay and the theme that you chose to analyze in the essay. So here's how essay assignments work in my class. You're going to write the essay in drafts. So you're going to write a rough draft. You'll bring that rough draft to our online class and you'll do a workshop of it. That's coming up in a couple weeks. Once you do the workshop, you then go back, make some changes and revisions to your draft, and then eventually you turn in a copy of it to me. For your first couple projects, I'll grade your final draft, and then you have a chance to revise it for a better grade. So you can do this for the literary analysis essay. Let's say you end up getting a 75 on it. Hopefully you don't, but if you do, you get a 75 on it. You have a chance to look at the essay after I've graded it and improve the grade by following the feedback that I give you in Blackboard. I use the comment feature in Blackboard to leave comments on the copy of your draft that I see. So you can go back at your grade and see my comments. So that's the whole process. You start from a rough draft, and then you go all the way to the end with a final draft. This is how we practice the writing process in our class. So good luck getting to know our first assignment, the literary analysis essay. You're going to read the prompt for this assignment and then do some activities to help you get in the spirit, so to speak, for writing this essay. All right, guys, I'll see you on the other end. Email me if you have any questions, and I'll see you in week 3. Bye-bye.